Have you ever wondered where the very idea of thinking about thinking originated from? Welcome to the intricate labyrinth of the history of thought, a journey through time and minds that have shaped our understanding of the world. Our Odyssey begins with the ancient Greeks, where philosophy as we know it took root. A figure of immense importance, Socrates, emerges in the 5th century BCE. Socrates, a man who claimed to know nothing, yet challenged Athens' brightest minds with his relentless questioning. His method of inquiry, known as the Socratic method, still shapes debates and discussions today. As we navigate forward, we encounter Plato, Socrates' most famous student. Plato's ideas, especially his theory of forms, have had a profound influence on Western philosophy. He proposed that the physical world is not as real or true as timeless, absolute moral values such as goodness and justice. Next, we cross paths with Aristotle, Plato's student and a polymath. Aristotle believed in empirical evidence and championed the idea that knowledge comes from our senses. His work on logic, metaphysics, and biology laid the foundation for many scientific and philosophical studies. Fast forward to the Enlightenment era, and we meet Immanuel Kant, a titan of modern philosophy. Kant proposed the idea of transcendental idealism, suggesting that we shape our experiences through our perception and understanding. His ideas continue to influence fields like philosophy, politics, and psychology. Let's voyage ahead to the 19th century, where Friedrich Nietzsche's provocative ideas challenge conventional morality and truth. Nietzsche declared God is dead, arguing that the decline of religion would lead to a crisis of values in society. His radical thoughts still spark intense debates today. As we enter the 20th century, we encounter Ludwig Wittgenstein, who significantly influenced the philosophy of language and mind. Wittgenstein proposed that philosophical problems arise from misunderstandings of language, leading to a new branch of philosophy called linguistic analysis. Our journey ends with the living philosopher Judith Butler, who revolutionized gender studies. Butler introduced the idea of gender performativity, arguing that gender isn't something we are, but something we do, challenging traditional notions of identity. In this brief journey, we've navigated from ancient Greece to the contemporary world, tracing the evolution of thought. We've encountered philosophers who questioned reality, proposed new ideas, challenged conventions, and revolutionized our understanding of the world. From Socrates' relentless questioning to Butler's groundbreaking notions of gender, these philosophers and their ideas have shaped and continue to shape our perception of the world. They underscore the significance of philosophy in not just understanding the world, but also in questioning and challenging our beliefs. In the grand tapestry of human thought, every thread matters. Every philosopher, every idea contributes to the intricate, beautiful pattern that is our collective understanding of the world. The history of thought is indeed a testament to human curiosity, ingenuity, and the relentless pursuit of truth. This philosophical odyssey is not just a journey through time, but a journey within, a quest to understand the very nature of our existence. And so, we continue to ponder, to question, to philosophize. For the history of thought is not just a tale of the past, but an ongoing story, a dialogue that each of us is a part of. As we navigate the complexities of life, we continue this grand tradition of thinking about thinking, contributing to the ever-evolving history of thought.